Today I'm showing you how to make this really easy and delicious homemade hot chocolate. It is so simple to put together and it is so much better than the packaged stuff at the store, okay? So if you want to make something fun for the family, for the holiday season, or just for the colder months, try this recipe. The full written recipe is in the description, so don't you guys worry, you're gonna absolutely love this.
So in a sauce pot over medium heat, we're gonna add in milk. You can use whatever milk fits your dietary restrictions. You can use whole milk, you can use oat milk, almond milk, whatever you like. We're gonna add in sugar. You can also use a sugar replacement. If you wanna use a sugar-free sweetener, go for it. The measurements are the same. We're also gonna add in cocoa powder and some chocolate chips. You wanna use dairy-free, you wanna use bittersweet, you wanna use semi-sweet. Also a matter of your taste, it's completely customizable. Also add in some vanilla extract and then just whisk this together over medium heat until it's hot and steamy, and that is literally it for homemade hot cocoa, guys. It is so easy, it's so much better than store-bought powders. A few extra steps, but really worth it, and you can scale this up to make however much you want or need. Keep it in the fridge and just heat it up when you want some. Pour it in mugs, top it with marshmallows, whipped cream, whatever you like. I just drink it as is because it's so good, but come on, how easy is this?
And within like 5 minutes, you've got delicious, really special homemade hot chocolate. You can add anything you want to this. This is just a good basic recipe. If you want to add any other flavors like orange, peppermint, you want to pour in some bourbon, you name it, you can pretty much throw it in here and it's going to be good. And just keep in mind, the better quality chocolate you use, the better this recipe will turn out. And it is also very easy to multiply and scale up if you want to make a bunch, because this recipe is good for about 2 6-ounce portions, which I know nobody drinks a 6-ounce cup of anything. This is like 12 ounces right here, so it filled up 1 mug. Whatever. All down below, along with links to my other social media. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave me some comments, and hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.